How to share your template in Canva. Sharing your template in Canva allows you to collaborate with others, streamline workflows, and enable seamless editing and access to your design for team members or collaborators. Now, here is how we are going to do it. So say for example, as you can see here, this is the template that I'm going to share. In order for me to do that one, I can just go ahead and click the share button here in the top right corner. If I'm going to click on this one, you should see here template link. So I'm just going to click this one here. And then it says here at the top that anyone with the link can use this design as a template. Sign in is required, but you won't know who has made copies of the design. So I can just go ahead and click this one here, create template link. Alright, so you can see here the link is already copied. So if I'm going to try and open this one from another, say for example, incognito browser, and I can just go ahead and paste this here and then open it. Alright, there you go. It says here a template created by Vladimir Shkib was shared with you. You can then go ahead and start designing. However, again, for this one, I need to sign in because this is just an incognito. But yes, congratulations everybody. That is how you're going to share your template in Canva. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if this helps you out.